Okay. So again, we have to look for the roots of this polynomial and then just investigate the splitting field. So if suppose alpha is a root of this polynomial, suppose now I am taking this polynomial over q, so x raised to power p minus 2 I am taking here over the field of rational numbers. So if alpha is a root of this polynomial, so if alpha is a root of x raised to power p minus 2 over q, then alpha has to satisfy this equation. So this means what? This means alpha raised to power p must be 2. Okay, and this also implies that zeta alpha raised to power p is 2, where zeta is the nth root of the pth root of unity, where zeta is the pth root of unity. Actually, this is a trick to find out the roots of this polynomial. Okay, I don't have any interest of inserting this zeta here, because this would actually imply that zeta p alpha p is 2. So zeta p is the pth root of unity, so it would be 1. So this equation won't be affected. Okay. So thus the solutions to this equation are what? Thus, so how many roots are there? There are p roots. So thus the solutions to this equation are, so there you have the p choices for zeta. Na? Zeta is the pth root of unity. Now you fix this alpha and vary this zeta. Okay, so they are actually zeta pth root of 2. These are the solutions of this equation. Zeta a pth root of unity. Zeta a pth root of unity. Okay, and what is this where this pth root of 2, which is actually alpha, it denotes the positive real pth root of 2, the positive real pth root of 2. Okay, so the solutions of this equation x raised to power p minus 2 over q, they are of the form this zeta pth root of 2, where zeta is a pth root of unity. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now see here, if I take now let k be the splitting field, let k be the splitting field for x raised to power p minus 2 over q. Okay, Now you have this that this zeta pth root of 2 and pth root of 2, they belong to K. Once they belong to K, their ratio is also in K. What means ratio means what? I'm I'm dividing this. I'm taking this zeta pth root of 2, and actually I'm taking its inverse, or you can say that pth root of 2. Okay, this is what? This is zeta, and zeta is in K. Now let us take, now zeta is any pth root of unity. In particular, now I take zeta as the primitive pth root of unity. Let us take zeta equals zeta p, the primitive pth root of unity, pth root of unity. Okay, so this means what here? See here, this means the field generated by pth root of 2 and zeta p, our q, is contained in K. Okay, because here zeta p is in K, you have this pth root of 2 is in K, and this is the smallest extension of Q containing pth root of 2 and zeta p, so therefore it is contained in K. And conversely, on the other hand, roots of this polynomial, roots of x raised to power p minus 2, we have just seen that they are of the form zeta p pth root of 2, obviously a member here in this field. Okay, so what does it mean? It means that your K is now contained in this. K is contained in, because K is the smallest extension containing elements of this form, and elements of this form, they are already there in this field. So therefore K is contained in Q pth root of 2 zeta p. So what we conclude from here? Yes,
Sir, K is equal to Q of
yes,
this field.
yes. So thus thus K, the splitting field of x raised to power p minus 2 over q is what? Q pth root of 2 zeta p. Okay, so this is your K. So the splitting field of this polynomial x raised to power p minus 2 over q is this field generated by the primitive root of unity and the positive pth root of 2. Now the next task is to find the degree of extension of this pth root of 2 zeta p over q. Okay, so what is your guess? Now see here, this field, this q of pth root of 2 zeta p, you can write this as q of zeta p of this pth root of 2, if you remember. Okay, so therefore this q zeta p is contained in this field. Okay, so therefore the degree of extension of this q pth root of 2 zeta p over q, if you take this is going to be degree of extension of q of zeta p of pth root of 2 over q zeta p multiplied by degree of extension of q zeta p over q. Okay, now what is the degree of q zeta p over q? We have just seen that it is p minus 1.
Minus 1.
What is this degree? Yes, see the degree of this polynomial है ना. Now zeta p, this yes, this pth root of 2 satisfies this polynomial. ये इसको satisfy कर रहा है ना, x raised to power p minus 2 over q, ये satisfy कर रहा है इस polynomial को. इसका मतलब ये q zeta p पे भी इस polynomial को satisfy कर रहा है ना. ये polynomial क्योंकि q is contained in q zeta p. Okay, are you getting this or not?
Yes, sir.
So this means this pth root of 2 satisfies this polynomial x raised to power p minus 2 over q zeta p also. तो ये मिनिमल पॉलिनोमियल होगी तब जब ये इरिड्यूसिबल होगी over q zeta p. Okay, but degree is what? Degree is at most the degree of this polynomial, है ना. It could be the minimal polynomial. So degree of extension of this over q zeta p is at most p. So okay, so less than or equal to p into p minus 1, and it would be exactly this if we are able to show that this polynomial is irreducible. This x raised to power p minus 2 is irreducible over q zeta p. Yes, what is your question?
सर ये आप रिपीट कीजिए, जो जैसे ये पी निकला ना, ये एट मोस्ट जो आपने दूसरा वाला दिखाया था.
देखो
समझ नहीं आया.
हाँ, डिग्री ऑफ एक्सटेंशन, डिग्री ऑफ दिस क्या होगी? डिग्री ऑफ दिस हमारे पास क्या होता है? क्यू अल्फा ओवर क्यू. अगर अल्फा अलजेब्राइक ओवर क्यू है तो क्यू अल्फा ओवर क्यू डिग्री, इसकी डिग्री क्या होती है? अभी जो मैंने पीछे आर्गुमेंट दिया होती है ना, डिग्री ऑफ मिनिमल पॉलिनोमियल के बराबर. ठीक है.
यस सर.
तो हमें पता नहीं है ये मिनिमल पॉलिनोमियल है, ये हो भी सकती है नहीं भी हो सकती है, लेकिन ये पॉलिनोमियल जो है सेटिस्फाई हो रही है. इस pth रूट ऑफ 2 जो है ये इस पॉलिनोमियल को सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है ना. ये पॉलिनोमियल एक्चुअली आपकी क्यू पे है, लेकिन क्यू सब फील्ड है ना क्यू जीटा पी का. तो आप इस पॉलिनोमियल को क्यू जीटा पे भी कंसीडर, क्यू जीटा पी पे भी कंसीडर कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. तो अगर ये पॉलिनोमियल जो है इरिड्यूसिबल होगी, ये मोनिक तो है, ये मिनिमल तब हो जाएगी अगर इरिड्यूसिबल हो जाएगी. अगर इरिड्यूसिबल होगी तो डिग्री एग्जैक्टली होगी पी. अदरवाइज इससे कोई स्मॉलर पॉलिनोमियल होगी जो कि मिनिमल पॉलिनोमियल, स्मॉलर डिग्री की पॉलिनोमियल होगी जो कि मिनिमल पॉलिनोमियल. इस मींस इसका कोई फैक्टर होगा. आर यू गेटिंग दिस?
यस सर.
So the degree is at most p. So degree of extension of q zeta p of pth root of 2 over q zeta p is at most p. Exactly p if we can show that this polynomial is irreducible over q zeta p. Okay. And it is not straightforward to show that this polynomial is irreducible over q zeta p. We would apply another trick. Okay. See how we would show. Now you see this see this q of pth root of 2 and q zeta p, they are subfields of or subfields of this q pth root of 2 zeta p. They are subfields. Okay, and you know this, the degree of extension of q of pth root of 2 over q, it is p, and degree of extension of q of this zeta p over q, it is what? P minus
P minus 1.
p minus 1. Okay, now they are subspaces, they are subspaces of, they are, so they are subfields, so they are subspaces as a vector space over q. ठीक है? So this means what? This means q pth root of 2 and q zeta p are subspaces of this q pth root of 2 zeta p as vector spaces over q, vector spaces over q. Or in other words, you can say that their degree divides the degree of extension of this q zeta p. So this means you can say that p divides the degree of extension of q pth root of 2 zeta p over q, and p minus 1 also divides the degree of extension of q, q pth root of 2 zeta p over q. Is it clear? But they are relatively prime, so their product also divide. But p and p minus 1 are relatively prime. P minus 1 are relatively prime. So this means p into p minus 1 also divides the degree of extension of q pth root of 2 zeta p over q. But we have just seen that this degree is less than or equal to p into p minus 1. So this means we have this possibility only. This implies that degree of extension of q pth root of 2 zeta p over q is simply p into p minus 1. Okay. Now in particular it shows that the polynomial x raised to power p minus 2 is irreducible over q zeta p, which is not obvious otherwise. Obvious otherwise. So is it clear? So the degree of extension of this splitting field over q is p into p minus 1. Now you can have a diagram. So the following diagram of subfields. So let us consider the following diagram of subfields of q pth root of 2 zeta p. So here at the base you have q and then from here you have q pth root of 2, and on this side you have q zeta p, and on the top you have this q pth root of 2 zeta p. Now I want to know the degree of extensions here in each case. This I know p, this is p. What could be then this one? Yes, this I know it is p minus 1. So I have to fill these entries. Yes, any guess? बताओ भाई, यासिर नायक तुम बताओ. Are you listening to me?
सर यहाँ पर वीक सिग्नल है सर,
हैं?
मुझे कम ही सुनाई दे रहा है सर, वीक सिग्नल है यहाँ पर.
हाँ, जिसको सुनाई दे रहा है वो बोलो.
सर p minus 1 and p minus 1 ही आएगा.
हाँ देखो, टोटल डिग्री क्या है? टोटल डिग्री है p इंटू पी माइनस 1, है ना? ये आपने देखा अभी. इसकी जो डिग्री है यहाँ सीधी ऊपर, ये क्या है? p इंटू पी माइनस 1. तो अगर यहाँ तक
So
p है,
this one should be तो p minus 1 होना चाहिए.
it would be p minus 1. If it is p minus 1, then the obvious choice it has to be p.
p.
Okay.
Yes sir.
So I stop this lecture here. If you have any queries or questions, you can ask. I hope you are understanding what I am teaching.
जो एक्सेस पर p minus 2 है, इसका मतलब ये इरेड्यूसिबल है.
हाँ हाँ, हो गई ना रिड्यूसिबल, क्योंकि हमने दिखा दिया कि अब ये डिग्री एट मोस्ट p नहीं है, ये डिग्री हमने दिखा दिया एग्जैक्टली p है. अब हम कह रहे थे कि इट इज एट मोस्ट लेस देन और इक्वल टू p. एग्जैक्टली p होगा इफ एंड ओनली इफ दिस पॉलिनोमियल x raised to power p minus 2 is irreducible. लेकिन हमने एक दूसरी ट्रिक से दिखा दिया कि ये p है, एग्जैक्टली p है. अगर ये एग्जैक्टली p है, इसका मतलब इससे हम ये कंक्लूड कर सकते हैं कि x raised to power p minus 2 is irreducible over. Clear?
Yes sir.
So आपकी अटेंडेंस बहुत
सर
कम
हम
है.
इसमें आइजेंटाइन क्राइटेरिया यूज नहीं कर सकते थे क्योंकि 2 प्राइम है ना हमारे पास.
नहीं, आइजेंस्टाइन क्राइटेरिया इज ओनली ओवर दिस ना, फॉर रेशनल्स. ठीक है.
रेशनल्स और z के लिए.
हाँ, तो ये आपकी फील्ड क्या है? दिस इज योर q zeta p, नॉट अ फील्ड ऑफ रेशनल्स. ओके.
सर
Yes. Any other question? So why your attendance is very less? There are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
जुम्मा था सर, जुम्मा और अरफा.
चलिए ठीक है. We would meet after Eid inshallah. So happy Eid from my side to all of you. Okay.
Happy.
Yes.
thank you sir.
We end this lecture. Okay. See you.